Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, pasta salad. We're calling this a pasta niçoise salad, based on a niçoise salad, but obviously no potatoes, using pasta. Really simple, beautiful. Got a few of the ingredients of a niçoise. Well, that's actually debatable as well, because so many people debate what a niçoise is. Anyway, this is our little version, super easy. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. Very simple salad. Pasta. So any pasta you want, get it cooked. I'm using a farfalle, but you could be using a penne or anything you want really. Some green beans or long beans, whatever you call them, just being sort of cooked just in some boiling water for just a couple of minutes. Tomatoes, onions, olive oil, lemon juice. I'm using 2 parts of olive oil to 1 part lemon juice. I think that works well for this one. Anchovies. Anchovy fillets, you can get them in a tin, or you can get them in a jar of oil. Some olives, I'm using green, a couple of hard-boiled eggs. We're going to add a touch of black pepper, but not salt, because we've got those anchovies and they're crazy salty. Really simply, mixing bowl, all goes in. Okay, there's our pasta in there. There goes our green beans. Onion. Just want to break that up a little bit. Some olives. Like I said, I'm using some green ones there. They've got a stone in. Use black and take the stones out if you want. Tomato. Black pepper. And like I say, no salt required for this, because we're going to put in those anchovies. What I like to do is grab them, just sort of break them up, get them in the mix, just roughly break them. Super salty. Some people really dislike these. I absolutely love them. Really big favourite for me. Olive oil, nice quality. Try and use a nice quality olive oil. 2 parts to 1 part, little bit of lemon. If you want, get some basil in there, some fresh basil or some fresh parsley. Boiled eggs, hard-boiled eggs. I'm just going to sort of roughly chop these. And then we're going to give this a mix. And this really simple, beautiful salad is done. See you in a sec. And there you go. Could not be easier. Absolutely wonderful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.